Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Hyundai ELANTRA Limited. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai has less than 79,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city, and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, window defogger, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, keyless entry, and leather seats. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.